Get Bruschi, come here. Come here, Bruschi. You sleeping every day? You gonna check the water? You gonna come down and check the water? Huh? You gonna come down and check the water? Oh, that's probably cold, isn't it? When he was a puppy, we used to go down to the water. He didn't have a chance in California, but clearly he remembers loving it because that's cold. Yeah, oh, there's plastic. Shit. Come here, hey, hey. Up there. Was that water cold? Huh? Is that water cold? Let's go for a little walk. Hey, wait for me. Coming down off the fields to get some water. I have to admit, I absolutely love the relaxing nature of being able to have somewhere I can just come and let him roam and enjoy himself. Bruschi, wait for me, buddy. Wait for me. Because he's a good boy. He deserves to be able to roam around. People get all nervous just because of his breed. It's not fair. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey! Bruschi! Yeah, we're not going swimming, crazy. Not going swimming. Hey, hey, come here! Come here! Now! Come here! He's so completely excited. Right here. Running around out here by the river. He doesn't know what to do with himself. There's lots of all kinds of new stuff around. He get over in this new little area got here behind the, it's like a kid's center they have in the summertime. It's a nice little area back here to play. Fence before the river. He got back here, he just kind of stood around. He's like, all right, what do I do now? There's so much area. Are you getting cold? Are you ready to go? It is kind of cold out. Are you ready to go, babies? Are you ready to go? Do you want to say bye-byes to the camera? Bruschi? Do you want to say bye-byes to... Oh, you knocked me over. You knocked me over. You crazy. All right, say bye-byes. Say bye-byes to the camera. All right.